Hi everyone, here we've got HUAWEI Mate 40 Pro, and let me show you how to block a number on this device. So first of all, let's tap on the dialer and make sure that you're on the phone mode. Now let's tap on this three dots icon and choose blocked. Now let's tap on the settings icon, and as you can see here we've got some options to customize, but first of all let me show you how to add a number to the blacklist. So let's tap on the block list, tap on this plus icon, and here we've got some options to choose from. You can add the number from messages, from call log, from contacts, block prefix, or you can add it manually. So let me show you how to add it manually. So just tap on the option you want to use, and here you can type the number you want to block. Let's tap on OK if you are done, and as you can see it immediately appears on our blacklist. What's more, here you've got listed blocked calls and blocked messages from that number. Let me get back right now to the call block rules, for example. Let's tap on the very first option, and as you can see here you can decide what kind of numbers you want to block. So you can block all incoming calls, block unknown numbers, or private withheld numbers. So let me pick, for example, to block unknown numbers. Just tap on the switcher on the option you want to use. Okay, now let me get back. Let's tap on the message block rules, and as you can see here we've got only one option, so we can block unknown numbers. So let me tap on the switcher here to activate it. Here we've got also the keyword blacklist, and this is a very cool option because if you will set it, just tap here, and here you can add the keyword. So for example, if you do not want to read some courses in the messages or specific words like, I don't know, maybe weather or something, then you can add the keyword right here, and all the messages with this keyword will be blocked. So I think it's a very cool option. What's more, here we've got the receive notifications, so you can decide what kind of notifications and from whom you want to receive, so from all blocks, non-block list blocks, or never. So it's up to you how you want to set it. So now let me show you how to unblock the number. Just tap on the block list, tap and hold the number, and now tap on remove. Tap on remove, and as you can see it immediately disappears from our blacklist. So it means that from now on you will receive all incoming calls and text messages from that number. So actually that's all. This is how to block a number in your HUAWEI Mate 40 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.